Hello, my dear students of class 7. Yesterday I discussed the text. Today I will discuss the questions, right? Then I will move on to the next text. So, the first, working with the text, answer the following questions. Why did the king want no more talk about the hill surface? Means the king did not want to listen anything about the hill surface. Why? What is the reason behind that? You have to answer. What did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? Right? So the king asked something to Gopal to prove himself as clever. Right? So what was that? What did the king ask? Then what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his hill surface? What are the three things? Number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1, for an example, he was painting ash over his face. Then number 2, he was wearing rags or torn clothes. Then another that you have to write. Okay. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? So, how did Gopal get inside the palace of the king after buying the hill surface? That you have to write. That he tricked, he was shouting, he was enjoying. Then what did the king ask? So, to write that tricks. Now explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about hill surface which Gopal had bought. Why no one was seen? Because of this outward appearance. Right. The king lost his temper easily. True or false? Gopal was a madman. True or false? Gopal was a clever man. True or false? Gopal was too poor to afford decent clothes. True or false? The king got angry when he was shown to be wrong. True or false? So all are very easy. Now working with the language. So here they are asking about the reported speech. So reporting speech I will teach you later. Now, how much did you pay for that hilsa? The woman asked the man how much he had paid for that hilsa. Okay. Then why is your face half shaven? Gopal also wife asked him why his face was half shaven. Right? Then I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal told the king that he accepted the challenge by addressing Your Majesty. I want to see the king. Gopal told the guards that he wanted to see the king. The king ordered the guard to bring the man to him at once. Now the meaning: challenge, courtier, mystic, smearing, and comical. Now picture reading. Look at the picture. Stag by the side of pond. Stag means the male deer, right? How beautiful my horns are. So the deer was watching the reflection of him in the pond water. That's why he was saying how beautiful my horns are. But my legs are so thin and ugly. He was saying that his legs were very thin and ugly. Hunters run for your life. Then hunters, he said, hunters run for your life. He also thought, let's run. Then let me hide somewhere. He thought, I have to hide somewhere. These branches, oh no. He got caught by for his beautiful horns. They are too close. Get out of here. Get out of here. I was proud of my horns. They could have caused my death, and I was ashamed of my legs. They saved me. So then, just luckily, he escaped, and he understood that though his horns were beautiful, but they were of no use. But his legs were thin, ugly, but they helped him to escape. So now I have to write the answers, right? Where is the stag? Said the pond. What is he doing? He was enjoying his reflection in the pond water. Does he like his antlers, his horns? Yes. Does he like his legs? No. Why is the stag running? Running because the hunters were after him. Is he able to hide in the bushes? No. Where are the hunters now? Just behind him. Are they closing in on the stag? Yes. Is the stag free? At last, the stag became free. Or and what does the stag say about his horns and his legs? Though the stag means horns were beautiful, but they did not help him. But the legs are not ugly, but they helped him. Now write a story in your own words. You were titled write one story. Now you have to fill this and you have to use these words over here. So that's all. I will discuss the questions, right? Then I will move on to the next text. That's it.